From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
This is a question on significant figures. We are asked to write 6.02517 to three significant figures. 6.02517 to three significant figure. Now, before we go to three significant figure, we want to ask, what is the first significant figure? The first significant figure is simply the first non-zero digit. And if you look at this number, the first non-zero digit from your left is 6. So this is our first significant figure. When you get your first significant figure, it's easy to get your second significant figure, third significant figure, and that goes on and on and on. So if 6 is our first significant figure, 0 is our second significant figure, 2 is our third significant figure. And now you want to check the next number after the third significant figure. Is it 5 and above? If it's 5 and above, you have to round up to 10 and then add 1 to 2. Since we have 5, we round 5 up to 10 and then add 1 to 2. So 6.02517 to three significant figure is simply 6.0. 1 plus 2 is 3. This is to three significant figure. This is what the final answer is, and that leaves us with C. Thank you for watching.